Everyone, welcome into Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about what is Cypress and the benefits of the Cypress and how it compares to Selenium. Cypress is open source and free test automation tool. It can use for front end and application programming interface test automation. Cypress is a modern front end testing framework designed especially for web applications. It allows tester to write end-to-end integration and unit test. Unlike Selenium, which operates outside the browsers, Cypress runs directly in the browser, making it faster and more reliable. Cypress helps to achieve the following: execute tests, configure tests, and identify errors. Cypress is based on JavaScript and execute test within browser. It helps to develop the test which include unit test, end-to-end test, and integration tests. Benefits of Cypress: fast execution. Run inside the browser, eliminating the need for extra drivers. Automatic waiting. No need for explicit wait like in Selenium. Cypress automatically waits for elements. Real-time reloads. Instantly updates test execution within the code changes. Easy setup, no need for additional configuration like WebDriver. Cypress supports TypeScript for better scalability and code structure. These are the important features of Cypress listed below. It supports test-driven development, easy debugging with the developer tools with generation of stack trace and errors. It provides proper screenshot of failed test. We do not need to add the weights like in Selenium. We need to add the explicit weight. By default, weights are applied. We can control the classes of server response functions and timers. It allows multiple browser supports. In Cypress, built-in feature available for capture videos of executions is available. And we can integrate the continuous integration tools in Cypress. These are the difference between the Selenium and Cypress. It is based on JavaScript, and Selenium it is based on Java, C#, Python, and JavaScript. Cypress has a small community support, while Selenium has big community support. In Cypress, it includes an built-in video capture feature. In Selenium, there is no built-in video capture feature. In Cypress, no API are available to handle the tabs like Windows, but in Selenium, API available to handle the tabs and windows. In Cypress, no parallel execution can be performed, while in Selenium, parallel executions can be performed. Cypress installation is very easy as compared to Selenium. These are the difference between the Cypress and Selenium. Cypress is a candidate for front-end testing, offering speed, simplicity, and reliability. In this course, we will explore Cypress in depth from installation to advanced testing techniques. In the next tutorial, I will explain how we can set up the Cypress step by step. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.